Your Excellency, my name is Ogwang, the NRM chairperson for Agabo district. I want to take this singular honor on behalf of the NRM fraternity in Agabo and the district leaders and everybody in Agabo to welcome you, Your Excellency, to Agabo district. One majority of the people with the Ayatollah Khan, for the time, don't you know that I'm not the leader. Your Excellency, we want to thank you so much for your leadership and your dedication for serving this nation. Today, you have reached our district for your campaign trail, and as NRM fraternity, we are very excited and want to say a warm welcome once again. I'm here to give you an overview of the past 5 years that you came here, and we probably give you our vote as the best district in northern Uganda. And we still think that we want to take that title to be still the best district that will give you the vote as the minister already stated. Agabo district was carved out of Pakade in 2010. In our 50 years of existence, we have some gains that were made under the every leadership you are Excellency. We have registered 153,000 members of NRM, and they are all going to vote for you today. We are so proud and we are still waiting to put it in office because we still believe that you are the right leader that is still going to steer Uganda in the right direction. Especially knowing that we are moving into middle income. We still practice our leadership, Your Excellency. Agabo has 26 counties. Out of these counties, we have realized a number of good things that we have seen under your leadership, and I just want to reiterate them in the following order. One, peace and security. We are so grateful there for pacifying Agabo, especially the Eastern Belt. We are so happy that your system that you have set to relieve us from the natural disasters has given us some opportunity to resettle back and work. But above all, also ensuring that there is total peace that we move and do our work. However, there is still some pockets of campus plans that we started last year and here. But I believe with your leadership, we will be able to stop that rise that is disturbing the people of Uganda. Development, we have witnessed a number of things under the 5 years that you led us. And now we are also proud that we still want to give you more 5 years because we feel like you have done us proud by doing the following activities that has supported our district. Our district has got a total support revenue from the government up to 223 billion. And we are happy that this has served the community so well by providing a number of things that is needed for their social services and existence. Wealth creation. A number of activities have been put in place, and key among this is the program PDM. Agabo district is performing one of the best districts in the country in the delivery of the PDM. And because of this, I am so proud of my district leaders, especially the district cow and your technical team, for ensuring that you take good custody of the fund which is sent from the central government. Asante sana. PDM disbursement is at 99.6%, and that means out of the 39.9 billion that was brought to the district, about 39.6 have already been disbursed, and the community have the testament. Many of them have used it profitably. The case in point, we have a gentleman who has started apiary in Walsall County, and he is reaping from the sale of the honey. And this is a very good success story that we are witnessing among many others. Under the health sector, we have 39 health facilities and one health center forward. Most of the health centers are in the sub-counties. We only out of the 26 sub-counties, we have made sure that all the sub-counties except 11, there are only one that are missing, the health center please, but around the health center too. So that is a gain for us, because when you look at the national statistics, we are not faring badly on that, and we want to appreciate you for funding the health sector. Education. Out of the 117 parishes in the district, 90 parishes have got primary school. And then out of the 26 sub-counties, 13 have got the secondary school. 6 of these secondary schools were built in the last 5 years. So we want to thank you so much for making that gain. And this has greatly improved the enrollment of students in secondary school because of the free education that is offered under USC. Our enrollment moved from 1,500 to now 4,500 students in the school. Thank you so much for giving. And we will still encourage that. Help us, and we give the secondary school to all the counties after the government policies. Water and sanitation, the government, within these 5 years, Your Excellency, we have provided water, and the coverage of the district is now at 68%. 38 new boreholes were drilled in the district, and we are very appreciative of this service given to the community. Road infrastructure, our road has been facing great challenge, and this is because of the environmental, the water. When it rains, definitely all our roads is flooded because of the low land table, and this has been a little bit affecting our roads. But the rest of the access to the road within the villages has been graded and worked on. But the key roads that connect the district, I will have some requests to make to you in as I proceed with this. Other achievements that we have seen here, we have the establishment of airport. We want to thank you so much for giving to us the airport at Batoro. We are now happy that this airport is serving the 5 million district, and therefore, as a government, we are happy to have that in our district. We also want to thank you, Mr. for appointing our sons and daughters to the respective offices, especially the Chief Justice and our State Minister, Honorable Acholi. We also ask that if there are more opportunities in the next government, you can as well increase the appointment for us. As I want to summarize, there are some key outstanding requests that we feel as a district you will help us. And this community has come today to listen to you about them. One, the district is so big. We therefore kindly ask you, since you have been the best working district there, running and coming to this center of the district is 54 kilometers. Can we have that and we have another district in another law constituency? That is our one biggest prayer to you. The second one, which is also very pregnant, Museveni, is our road. Museveni, we know there's already motorcycle road that you have already put into the program. But there is these two roads that we really have to request your assistance, Museveni. This road from Batwa to Kalawa, it is our heartbeat. Please, Museveni, we don't have time up here, but if we can have this to Kalawa connected to already planned motorcycle, and you can make a wide section going to Wipolo and connecting to Kitumatide, that will be a big deal for us in the next coming years. That is one of the biggest prayers today. The second last but not least is the district hospital today. We need health centers 4 in the 2 constituencies of Agago West and Agago North. And also today, we need a district hospital. We have to thank our partners, Kala Hospital, who have been serving us all these years. But I think it is high time that we also have our own district hospital through your office. Last but not least, as you see, we are in a new ground. We wanted you to visit the ground that we dedicated to our fallen hero, the late Lieutenant General Lokech. We gave this stadium in his honor, and I'm happy to introduce the wife, Lokech, who is here, and she's visiting and coming to attend the rally. Thank you, Museveni. If you look at this stadium, it is also a big task for us. Just find within your heart what you can do best to help us in this area. Last but not least is electricity. Museveni, we are very grateful that all the sub-counties except 3 have been connected to the national grid. Thank you so much. However, there is specific 2 schools that you have built them nicely, but then they don't have electricity. It's my humble request. It is only 3 kilometers. That school is Ward SS. They don't have electricity, but there is a computer now without. So finally, Cosmo also is one of the schools that need electricity. They are already being constructed. We want to thank you so much for visiting with us. And I want now to end by introducing to you our district executive of the tech of the NRL party. It is important that you also know them. I have advised Florence of you, wherever you are, Florence. So they will come and take a photo with you at the end of the party, the day, so that we don't waste time right now. Thank you so much for coming, and God bless you.